We are NEFF, and we've always been a bit unconventional. We just love to cook the unexpected, create the extraordinary, and inspire for the unusual. And because freedom is our favorite recipe, we reinvent the kitchen constantly to make it the place we believe it can be. A culinary sanctuary where we feed our curiosity and express our personality. Brimful of possibility with no room for conformity. And that's why we'll keep being open. Open to all colors and cultures, opinions and discussions. Open to mixing and mingling, inviting and exciting. Open to the news and the do's, but not so much the don'ts. Open to exceptional taste and individual style. Open to a personal touch or a special twist. Open to feeling and flowing and intuition over knowing. Open to free creativity and thinking differently. And most importantly, open to character, personality, and real individuality. What can we say? Openness is just in our DNA. And it can be seen, smelled, and felt in all that we do and everything we say. So let's open up and turn on the fire to do what we burn for. Cook, create, and inspire.